still here. I'm in Delaware on this is the second time. The first time it was just with my family. The second time it's with my grandparents. This is the cleaning and helmet closet. Then this is room 1. It has a TV. Then this is bathroom 1. No, this is shower, tub, toilet. Pretty nice. And just saying, in this house there are 28 light switches, so a lot. And then this one, that one, and that one. They all do. And then this is the living room. It has a welcome sign over there. And they're beautiful. And then walk this way. You see the fireplace that you can see people through. And it's very nice. Now this is the dining area. Very nice, pretty. Here, there's even one little rocking chair, a light switch. Turn on that. Now we're going into the game closet. Very nice. It has the game Clue, Pictionary, Uno. But one more thing, I was just kidding. We have a washer and dryer machine in this closet. And just saying, they both can wash and dry. So when you're done with the washing stuff, you might want to do the washing on the top, drying on the bottom, or washing on the bottom and drying on the top. Now that's really all of it. Goodbye.